Several vegetables are highly rated for their exceptional nutritional value due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Here are some vegetables that are often considered among the most nutritious. Spinach. Packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate, spinach also provides iron and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Kale. A nutritional powerhouse, kale is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. It's also loaded with antioxidants. Broccoli. High in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants, broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable known for its potential health benefits. Swiss chard. A good source of vitamins A, K, and C, as well as magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Brussels sprouts. Rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber, Brussels sprouts also contain glucosinolates with potential health benefits. Sweet potatoes. Packed with beta-carotene, vitamins A and C, and fiber, sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense and offer a natural sweetness. Bell peppers. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, bell peppers come in various colors and add vibrant flavors to dishes. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Carrots support eye health and provide dietary fiber. Cauliflower. A versatile vegetable, cauliflower is a good source of vitamins C, K, and B6, along with fiber. Spinach. High in vitamins A, C, K, and folate, spinach is also rich in iron and contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Collard greens. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with calcium and fiber, collard greens are highly nutritious. Asparagus. A good source of vitamins A, C, and K, asparagus is also rich in folate and provides dietary fiber. Beets. Containing antioxidants like betalains, beets are rich in folate, potassium, and fiber. Pumpkin. A great source of beta-carotene, vitamins C and E, and potassium, pumpkin offers both nutritional value and flavor. Tomatoes. Rich in the antioxidant lycopene, tomatoes also provide vitamins C and K and are a staple in many diets. Remember that the nutritional value of vegetables can vary based on factors such as cooking methods, freshness, and soil quality. A diverse and balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich vegetables is key to achieving optimal health benefits.